Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to create a new user account on Windows. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. For this you need to go to the settings, and in the settings we have this accounts. Go to the accounts, and once you just scroll down, so we can here find something called as family. Click on family, and here you can add someone to sign into this device. Click on add someone, and once it just loads, here we can just click on, instead of giving the email address, we can click on this create one, and once it loads, here we can just create a new Microsoft account. So let me just give something like this. Click on next. Okay, let me just give some more numbers also. Click on next, and here I can create a password. So let me just quickly give some password to this. After this you need to give the first name and the last name. So let me just give something like anything like this, and after we are done, we need to give this country and this date of birth and all. Let me also give that. Once we are done with giving the date of birth, now we are good to go with this is the mail that the Microsoft mail that has been added to our family group on this. So let me just close this, and here you can see this particular one can sign in. So if you don't want this to be signed in, you can just click on this block sign in, and also you can check the account type. Click on change account type, and here you can see that whether it is a standard user, or else you can even make it as an administrator. So as of now, let me just be it standard user. And if you don't want this, you can just click on the block sign in, and this can block the sign in to this particular device. So this is how you can create your new Windows user account. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.